Before commencing tawaf, man should do idtiba, means put on shawl by bringing its one hand from the under the armpit of the right hand and placing its both hand. Put on shawl by bringing its one hand from the under the armpit of the right hand and placing its both hand over the left shoulder, such that the right shoulder remains uncovered. Now in the state of ittiba, stand up facing the holy Kaaba, such that holy Kaaba, Hajrul Aswad, will be pointing towards your right side. Now make intention for tawaf in the following words, without raising your hands. And dua is, Allahumma inni uridu tawafa baytika al-haram fayassirhu li wa taqabbalhu minni. The translation of that dua, Ya Allah Azza wa Jal, I make intention for tawaf of your sacred house. Make it easier for me and accept it from me. Now after the making the intention, stand facing the Kaaba in the direction of the green tube light fixed opposite Hajrul Aswad. Now Hajrul Aswad is exactly in front of you. Subhanallah, this is that lucky heavenly stone which has certainly been kissed by our beloved Rasul sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Now raise both hands such that both palms of hands face the direction of Hajrul Aswad and recite the following dua. Bismillahi walhamdulillahi wallahu akbar wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Allah Azza wa Jal, in whose name I begin, and all glorification are for Allah Azza wa Jal, and Allah Azza wa Jal is the greatest, and salat and salam be on the Rasul of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Now if possible, place both palms on Hajrul Aswad and kiss in between with your palms without producing any sound. Do this thrice. If kissing is not possible due to crowd, touch Hajrul Aswad with hand and kiss the hand. If this is also difficult due to crowd, point your palm towards it and then kiss your hand. Kissing Hajrul Aswad or touching it with hand and then kissing the hand or making the sign of touching is called istilam. Then immediately turn rightward such that the holy Kaaba is in your left side, like that. Now holy Kaaba is in your left side. Now walk with care so that no one is bumped by you. Man should perform ramal during the first 3 rounds, that is a walk briskly with the small steps whilst moving the shoulders.